Welcome back to Demolition Expedition. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video for a 22-inch barrel from Excalibur. They customize barrels and they'll do just about anything you want to it. So I'm about to open this up. Again, this is a customized 22-inch barrel from Excalibur. So right out of the box, this is what it looks like. And it has this little card telling you what it is. Wow, this is a beautiful barrel. Chambered in 223. And after I added everything to this barrel, it cost $455. I paid an extra $5 for signature, to have the signature required for when the item was delivered. It was just delivered about 5 minutes ago. Almost done with the AR build. It's going to be awesome.